This video I'm going to be showing you how to join any server on Discord. I'll go straight and show you how to join any server. In case someone sends you any Discord link and you want to join it. This video is for you. I'll show you the two processes of which you can join the Discord, any Discord server. And then in the next video I'm going to be showing you how to create a chatbot. So if you are new in this channel, kindly ensure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that whenever I drop a new video, you're gonna be updated. Without further ado, let's get started. There are two ways to join the Discord or any Discord server. The first one is to join directly by searching the link to any of the Discord server you have inside from the app directly. All right. So in case you want to, somebody sends you any link of any Discord server that he or she has created, I want to join the link. You want to join the Discord server that the person sends you directly from the app. You want to search for it and join it directly from the app. So the first process, this is how you go about it. The first thing you have to do is to come over here. So the first thing you have to do is to head over to where you have this plus sign over here. You click on it. Then where you have this, you head over to where you have this join a server. You click on it. Then go ahead and paste any link of any Discord server that the person has sent you right here. All right. So I'll just go ahead and, for the sake of this video, I'll just go ahead and copy a link to a Discord server on Medium. All right. You can use any link. So far as the person or the group or organization has created a Discord server, go ahead and request for their link. All right. So here I'll just copy any link from here. So I'll be copying this one right here. Okay. I'll be copying this one. Now head right here back into the app and paste that link right here. Okay. You paste it. After pasting it, you see that this button has just shown up. Go ahead and click on it. Join server. You can see here, this is the server directly. Currently, this link has expired. All right. But in case you paste any Discord server link right there, it's going to pop up. All right. A join section is going to show right here. So you click on got it and then you click on join. And then you will join automatically. I hope that is clear enough. So let's go back to the next step, the next method on how to join any link, to join the Discord server with any link. The next step, the next method is to click on any link that you see in any page. All right. In case you are scrolling any website or any page, and then you notice a Discord link, you notice any link that started from discord.gg/, know that is the link. You can just go ahead and click on the link directly. Then after clicking on that link, it's going to direct you automatically to your Discord. So it will take you directly to your Discord, and immediately the page is going to load up. All right. You can see the page has just loaded up, but that link that I clicked on has expired. But if it is a link that hasn't expired, a join button is going to pop up right here. Go ahead and click on it and you will join the Discord server directly. And then how you know that you've joined the Discord server directly is that whatsoever server you join, you will see the name of that server right here, and you see the logo of that server. Any server that you join, you see the logo right here. All right. You see all of them aligned right here. Okay. So that is how you know you've joined a server. If you like this video, kindly ensure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that whenever I drop a video, you're gonna be updated. See you in the next video.